So I got these Muppets at flooringdirect08 to send me 6 meters of artificial lawn. To replace some artificial lawn which is underneath this new artificial lawn. So what I have here is my son marking out from the end here the blue line which marks 1 metre, 2 metres, 3 metres, 4 metres,
how we do that with potatoes?
5 metres,
And a bit.
and we're going to measure the 6th metre. Oh, hang on a minute. That should go to that should go all the way up to there, shouldn't it?
All the way to there.
Oh, but it isn't.
You take measure of the front.
Okay, so it's stopping at, show me again Tom, was it something like
It was about 70 centimetres.
oh, we're measuring back from 300, so along here we're stopping at where are we, so just short of 80. Okay, so just right on there, 78, that's what it is, isn't it? Okay, that says 78. Okay, alright, so so what we ended up with is a piece of artificial lawn that measures 5 metres and 78. So what I do, I bought this off eBay from flooringdirect08, and so I send them a message saying actually this artificial grass that you've sent me isn't 6 metres and I need it to be 6 metres because look, it's got to go from here up to there. And it's about, well, it's only about 5 centimetres short, but 5 centimetres is 5 centimetres. And so, anyway, you order 6 metres, you expect to get 6 metres. So I contact them, and they say send me a photo showing me that it's only 5 metres 80. So I think, well, how do I do that? Because I haven't got a tape measure that measures 5 metres 80. So, have you got the tape measure again, Tom?
No.
Yeah, let's just prove that these are 1 metre lengths. And then these Muppets at flooringdirect08 can watch this video. The tape measure bit was a bit gnarly, so we're going from 300 right at the very end, all the way along here. And that is to 200, which in my book is 100 centimetres, which I was always taught to believe was 1 metre. Okay, so let's do the next one. So we're going from 300, I'm going to follow this tape measure all the way to there. Oh, hang on, 200, that's another 1 metre, that's 2, we've done that already. And then we're going from 300 all the way over here to 200. That's another 100 centimetres. Is that another metre?
I believe so, that's what I was taught.
That's another metre. That's 3. So that's half of what I bought. That's good. The first half is good. Right, hang on, Tom. That's not quite on. Let's not. Yeah, there we go. 300. All the way up. All the way to another. That's not quite accurate, but we'll give it.
I've missed by a centimetre.
Let's give or take a centimetre. Okay.
We'll give him a centimetre.
That's 4. We go from 300. We're not quite on at this end, mate.
Well, yeah.
Okay. Right. Okay. 300. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Blah 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 blah. Up to 200. That makes 5 metres. That's actually a centimetre long. So that centimetre we gave them back there, we get back.
Oh.
So we're now bang on 5 again. And this last metre, this is a funny metre. This one. This goes from 300. But as we said before, it only goes to 88. Well, not 88. Hang on, not 88. That's inches. It goes to there, which is like 70, 77, 78 centimetres, which is 22 centimetres short. So, message for you at Muppets Direct 08. Sorry, Flooring Direct 08. This grass is too small. I need another one. Thank you. Bye bye.